Oh, hi.
And today here, move it over here.
Oh.
Okay, today we are going to
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th.
We'll probably upload this on the 5th.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
Okay.
in the description it'll just say record on July 4th.
Now, okay, so the next few clips are going to be about fireworks and
There are fireworks.
Bunny, Fiona upside down, Fiona upside down. There's a Fiona upside down, Fiona upside down, Fiona upside down. There's a Fiona upside down.
Oh my god! Where's the... Okay, so...
Hi everybody, this is us, and today we are about to show you the fireworks, and people are in the way! Get out of the way, you stupid people! I'm trying to record something! Oh. Trying to record! Right over here. I am sorry. Yay! Oh yeah, look at those fireworks. Look at the big. Whoever's watching the Macy fireworks or turn up, go see some real fireworks. Oh, look at that. Green, yay. They might have a Yoshi. This is Yoshi X64 here, and we're about to see the fireworks. That guy touched us, got his smoke. Oh my god! It's the beautifulness.
Yeah. Sit down, guys. Come on.
Get out of the way.
Sit down, bro. Sit down, please. Thanks.
Oh. Okay, guys.
Whoa. Oh, wait. These are beautiful. Oh.
Up, there's some more fireworks. It is terrific.
Oh, la, la. Whoa. Want me to get...
Alright, me again, girls. I want to see you talk.
Okay, hi. Well, there's fireworks here. Here, let me zoom in. Oh, it's all the way.
Yeah.
I'll hold the camera.
Alright, what we got here?
Zach, can you see them, honey? Yeah, okay.
It's like completely back.
Introduce the people that are watching the fireworks.
I don't even. My friend Rebecca's here. She's right next to me.
Say hi.
Say hi. Hi.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's a ring.
There's fireworks on the
Other. Right over there.
Yeah, but now there's fireworks going on already. Oh my god, this is...
Yeah, what's up? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
There's a lot of green right there. The camera.
Alright, I'll take it. So, what do you want to talk about?
We'll just, this is going to be a clip, I guess. So let's call it a clip. Bye.
Bye. Okay, we're back. So, we're back, and, yeah, there's some other fireworks going off there, and there's some fireworks going off there, over there.
That's just somebody else's.
Yeah. Alright, there's some fireworks, there's some green fireworks.
Some pinkish, reddish fireworks. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's nice. This is better than Macy's.
Those are somebody's else. Somebody just buys them. They always do.
You're cute.
Alright, let's go.
Bye.
So, should we start recording?
Yes.
Okay,
Next
bye-bye.
clip is going to be right now.
Hey guys, we're back. We're showing more fireworks. Right there.
You guys stay down.
And there.
Good stuff.
Whoever it is, they always do it.
Yeah, their fireworks suck. Those fireworks are awesome.
Fireworks right there.
Because those are the town's fireworks.
This is the fireworks you don't want to miss.
It's like two shows at
So
once.
what should we talk about on this fine day, on this fine harbor day?
By night.
By night.
Okay, let's call it a day.
Yeah, let's call it a night.
I'm not going home. I don't want to be out there.
Red and green.
I want to get out there.
Oh.
Okay, there we go.
That looks like
hair.
somebody's hair. I know.
Yeah, it does.
Up, we're just.
It looks like somebody's hair.
Wait, what should we talk
That
about?
one looks like a halo. It was maybe it was like a
Anyways,
angel.
there's some fireworks, and we're.
Whoa.
And there's some fireworks there.
Whoa. I just felt
Anyways, you like to be everything good. So video game here 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get about the 4th of July.
Oh, heart. The 4th of July is good because you get to have a barbecue and you get to see fireworks.
Oh, this is the bad part.
Whoa!
Oh, look at that.
It looks like it's popping out.
Great thing we got the camera rolling.
Those look like stars.
I know this is gonna be good.
They look like exploding stars.
Whoa, whoa, that's.
They're exploding fire. No, actually, that's what they are.
Anyways,
My footy. Get a shot of my footy. Oh, come on. Get a shot of my footy.
okay, I got a shot. Anyway, should I ever stop recording?
Oh, that's cool.
So should I stop recording?
Yeah, I think you should. Next clip starting now.
Yeah.
Whoa, that looks cool.
Ooh, the grand finale.
Oh, that's awesome.
Those are cool.
Whoa.
Oh my god. I love those circle ones. I love those circle ones.
Oh, another one.
So many. Oh my god, there's a lot. But I love them. I don't care.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Get out of the way, people.
Oh look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get out of the way, people. Okay. People are gone. Some people are coming. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Boom. Boom.
You talk too much in your videos.
No, I don't. No, I don't. That's just my friend Rebecca. Whoa, that's cool. Move. Oh, come on. Oh my god, that's a lot.
Hello, people.
Well, we can still see the fireworks.